Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students. How's life on you? Okay, this morning I and Mrs. Imrona will ask you to learn English, but it is still about the narrative text. Of course, before studying, let's pray according to our belief, will you? Thank you. Do you still remember the story about Sangkuriang and Malin Kundang on the last meeting? Let's analyze them to find the generic structure. Students, the learning this morning have the objectives like number 1. You must be able to compare the story of Sangkuriang and the dog and the deer to determine A. The purpose of the two stories, B. The social function of the two stories, C. The detailed information of the two stories, D. The word reference in the story, E. The moral value of the story, and number 2, you must be able to determine the generic structure of the story. Baiklah anak-anak, jadi pagi ini tujuan pembelajaran kita adalah untuk membandingkan cerita Sangkuriang dan cerita dengan judul The Dog and the Deer untuk menentukan tujuan dari cerita. Berikutnya, menentukan fungsi sosial dari sebuah cerita. Dan untuk menentukan informasi rinci dari cerita. Untuk menentukan rujukan kata di dalam cerita. Juga menentukan pesan moral sebuah cerita. Yang kedua, kalian harus bisa menentukan langkah-langkah retorika atau struktur sebuah cerita. Itulah tujuan pembelajaran pagi ini. Okay. Now, I will give you the two stories. You can read the two stories we have given for 3 minutes. Okay. Text 1. Once upon a time, there was a family which lived in the palace of Priangan land. They were a happy family, although a father was a dog Tumang, and a mother was Dayang Sumbi, and a son was Sangkuriang. One day, Dayang Sumbi asked her son to hunt a deer. He went to the jungle, but the fortune was not at him. He did not get a deer. He felt so bored and he decided to kill Tumang. After getting at home, he gave Tumang's liver, but he thought that it was a deer's liver. But Dayang Sumbi did not believe that it was deer's liver, but Tumang's liver, because she did not see Tumang at home. She was so angry, so asked him to go out. After some years later, Sangkuriang became a handsome teen. He liked traveling many places. And finally, he met a beautiful woman in the village. He fell in love with her, and they loved each other and discussed about their wedding plan. But Dayang Sumbi was shocked after looking at the wound on his head, and she was sure that he was Sangkuriang. She tried to make him not to marry her. She gave a wish that Sangkuriang could make a huge ship and large lake in one night. Sang Kuryang was afraid. She tried as fast and strong as he could. And almost the ending of the finishing, Dayang Sumbi woke up the chicken to crow. Sang Kuryang was so angry. He kicked the sheep onto the lake. It became to be a mound. It was called Tangkuban Perahu. Okay, here is the text 1. Please read again, student, by your head. Now text 2. Deer have horns, right? But long time ago, deer did not have any horns. Instead, dogs had horns. How did the deer get the horns? Here's the story. It was a very hot day. A couple of deer went to a river to drink. They were husband and wife. After arriving in the lake, they immediately drank some water. Suddenly, the wife saw an animal coming. My husband, who is he? Wow, he is very handsome with his horn, said the female deer. Oh, that's my friend, he is a dog. By the way, did you say he is more handsome than me? Asked the male deer. He was jealous. Of course not, you are still more handsome than he is. But I have to admit that his horns are beautiful. If you have those horns, I think you will look very attractive. Okay, then, I have an idea how to take the horns from dog. Just wait here. Hi, how are you? Asked the male deer to the dog. I'm just fine, answered the dog. How about you? Not really good. You see my wife over there? She thinks that I cannot run fast like other male deer. Do you mind if we have a running race? I really want to practice, said the male deer. Don't worry, my friend. Let's have the running race now. After that, the running match began. The male deer won. Then he tried to cheer the dog up. Well, don't be sad. You cannot run fast because you have your horns on your head. What if you let me your horns? Asked the male deer. Okay, but please the horns to take carefully. I don't want them to be broken. Don't worry, I will be very careful, replied the male deer. And then he immediately put the horns on his head. Wow, my wife is right. I really look great with these horns, said the male deer to himself. Then they started the running race again. The male deer ran as fast as he could. He ran very fast and did not stop. He was trying to steal the dog's horn. Hey, come back! Bring back my horns! The dog was very angry. Up to now, dogs always try to catch deer. They want to get their horns back. Okay, student, here are the two texts you have. Please read by heart and well. So, after reading the two texts, you can do the exercise on B2. The time is for an hour. Okay? B2, you must compare the two stories and then fill the result of comparison in the table below. Ya, bandingkanlah dua cerita di atas dan isilah tabel itu dengan hasil perbandingan antara dua wacana naratif di atas tadi. Oke? You have the kind of narrative, apa jenis naratifnya, the main character, time of story, place of story, the purpose of story, the moral value of the story, the ending of the story. You must remember that the ending of the story will have two kinds, sad and happy ending. Ya. And then the generic structure of the text, yaitu langkah-langkah retorika daripada wacana. Next, in exercise B, you have more time, and then you can go on to do exercise B3. Exercise B3 is still about the two stories above, but you must answer the quizzes about the stories. Number 1, in which part does the writer identify the main characters of the stories? Number 2, in which parts does the writer identify the time and the place where the stories happen? Number 3, in which paragraph does the writer show the orientation, complication, and solution? Of course, number 1 comes to number 3 about the two texts. Now, special about text 1, number 4. Why did Dayang Sumbi expel Sangkuriang? 5. What will you be if you are Dayang Sumbi? Now the question special for text 2. Number 6. What does the word you in the sentence I think you will look attractive in paragraph 3 line 5 refer to? 7. Do you think the deer and the dog are still best friends? Thank you. Here are the questions for B3 task. Student, don't forget task B2 and 3. You can write on your book and then you can send to the group. My lovely student, are you still with us? If you have finished doing task B2, you must copy it on your exercise book together with task B3 and send to your English group. Okay? Now, is the time for asking and answering or discussing the group. If you have question and answer, please show in this meeting. You will have 30 minutes or half hour. After this, you will go on to read your homework. In this meeting, you also have the homeworks. Jadi di sini ada PR, ya, yang sekaligus PR itu nanti akan menjadi nilai keterampilan kalian untuk chapter 7. Ya, what is your homework? Your homework is by learning the story of Malin Kundang here. You look for one title of narrative text you like, and then please make it like the examples of Malin Kundang story. Understand? Oke. PR kalian adalah dengan mempelajari contoh pada cerita Malin Kundang beserta langkah-langkah retorika atau strukturnya, kalian akan mencari salah satu judul wacana naratif yang kau suka, yang kau baca. Ya. Lalu tentukanlah langkah-langkah retorika atau generic structure seperti pada contoh di cerita Malin Kundang ini. Okay? And you must send your result in your teacher private net. Jadi dikumpulkan di Japri untuk tugas PR pada C ini, dan terakhir pada hari Minggu tanggal 31 Januari 2021 jam 1 siang. Jadi ini masih ada 3 hari waktu kalian membuat. Buatlah sebaik mungkin karena ini adalah nilai keterampilan, ya. Tentu saja ceritanya adalah cerita naratif, salah satu yang kau ambil salah satu saja. Oke, thank you. After this, you will have a test, and please do your test well. You can send the answer in Google Form. I think that's all, students, the meeting today. I'm so sorry, and I love you because you can participate the meeting well. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.